Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This video is for educational purposes only. Please use VPN services responsibly and follow your local laws. Today I will show you how to create your own Slow DNS server and configure it inside the SSH Custom VPN app to help improve your online privacy and security. Step 1. Open your browser such as Chrome and search for a trusted website that provides Slow DNS server accounts. Step 2. When you reach the website, tap on the menu icon to view the options and select the free VPN section. Step 3. Choose the SSH tunnel option to continue creating your account. Step 4. Select your preferred server location. Using a nearby server can improve performance. Step 5. Tap on Create Username and enter your desired username and password. Complete the CAPTCHA to verify. Step 6. Tap Create Username again. Your account will be created. Copy all of the details, including the Slow DNS host, username, password, and port. Step 7. And open the Google Play Store, download the SSH Custom VPN app, and open it. Step 8. On the home screen, tap the menu icon, select Profile, and then choose Add Profile. Step 9. Paste the Slow DNS account details that you copied earlier into the correct fields of the SSH Custom VPN profile. Step 10. Check all entries for accuracy, then tap Save to complete the configuration. Step 11. Select your profile, return to the home screen of the app, and tap Connect. Once connected, your browsing will be routed securely through your Slow DNS server using SSH Custom VPN. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your questions in the comments. Stay safe and enjoy your browsing.